Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to customize home screen on Android. Here are the steps to customize your Android home screen using Nova Launcher. First, unlock your mobile phone, open the Google Play Store, search for Nova Launcher, and install it. Set Nova Launcher as your default home app. You'll be prompted or can set it in Settings, Apps, Default Apps, Home app, then choose Nova Launcher as default launcher. Now, on the home screen, tap Nova Settings. Tap Home Screen. Here, you can adjust icon size, label desktop grid, dock, etc. Go back and tap App Drawer to customize how apps display. Go back to home screen and tap Dock to modify dock icons and background style. Tap Look and Feel to change icon style, animation, and theme. Long press on apps to move, remove, or create folders by moving one app to another app. Long press on home screen and tap Widgets to add widgets. Explore gestures and inputs and Nova settings to assign shortcuts. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.